Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to remove Google accounts on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following me to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on my phone settings right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for users and accounts. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here under the accounts for owners. Make sure you select your Google account that you want to remove. It's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on remove account. And once you click on remove account, the Google account will be removed completely on that particular Android phone. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.